for $60. I think you can get one for cheaper, but the reason why I got this one, because this already comes with 3 extra battery. And I've been looking around. This is actually my first boat. I was gonna get in the past, but I was just like, you know what, having a boat is something different, you know. You always have to clean it up, and you don't want to get all dirty and all that kind of stuff. So especially in the lake, and the place I'm at, I'm in the lake now. Yes, this definitely gonna be, hopefully it's gonna be fun on this lake. So this is the reason why I got this. But anyway, this is the H100, and let's see what this thing got here. So okay, and this guy comes with the controller. It's one of those quadcopter controller. That's what I like about it, because I do fly drones, and I'm just so used to using this. Okay, so this is the controller. I think it takes like a AA battery or something like that. But anyway, that's the controller. And let's go ahead and see this. And this is the boat here. So it's actually my first. I don't want to go ahead and get something out there that is like $200, $300, and then I don't want to lose it anyway also. But this guy come with this piece here. Wow, what's this? Yeah, and I think that's where the motor is. Where's the battery at? And it comes with this instruction here. And let's go ahead and, oh, actually here, I'm sorry. They put it in the back. They put the mount everything here. You guys can see. So I think this is the accessories. Let me put this up away. Yeah, so I think this is the stand. And what is this piece? I get a lube. I think I put this in the front like this or something. Oh, wow. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to hit anything in the water, or you want to hit, you know, you want to crack this, you can actually put this piece here. It's like a trainer rubber dumper. So that's cool to have. You know what? I'll probably put that for now, because it's actually, I never really controlled one of these before. Actually did, but not like owning one. But the one that I actually did is actually really fast, and I almost crashed it. But anyway, this piece come with this thing here. You can mount this. There you go. And just mount it like that, and make sure you put that in the back. And here you go. And you put your boat there. Pretty interesting. And I guess you can put this, take this piece off. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on here. And you pretty much just clip that in there. Simple the way it did. And it comes with this little screwdriver. And they give you another extra propellers. Wow. And another bracket kit. That's cool that they actually mentioned that. And it comes with this little lube. So I think if you use this all the time, you want to go ahead and lube this thing. And that's a good thing that they have that. And let's see. So I have one of these. It's like one of those charger thing. But I actually have a better way of charging this. And this is the batteries. So mine come with 3. So I'm like, you know what, I'd rather just get the one with 3, so I don't have to deal with a bunch of stuff. And I get another one of these. Pretty handy to have. You just, you know, USB, I guess. And I get 3 of these. So that's cool. So all this for 60, I think $59.99 at Amazon, and you'll get it like the next day. Really fast shipping. And this is the controller here. And I'm gonna go ahead and see how this thing works from the water and anything else. But anyway, thank you for tuning in, and I really do appreciate it. And I'm just showing you guys here and this guy here, and that's it.